Hey guys, here for another month reveal Monsterbass. I have a little helper for this month's box, so let's get into it. Alright, first in the box we got a sticker.
Yellow fish holding a cup.
Holding a cup. It looks like he has a big cup, huh?
Yep.
There you go.
That's almost about to drip.
And we have the reveal what's in the box with the prices. There you go. And first off, what is that? A hook?
Yeah.
It's called a headbanger, rocker head for soft plastics. There you go. Give it some action and some swim to it. All right. What's that?
Hooks.
Hooks. All right. Here's some offset hooks to go through plastics that are probably in the box here.
Yep.
And what is that?
Froggy.
A frog. All right.
E.
Got a pop a frog. There you go.
Time to eat.
Yep.
The frog bass.
What is that?
A spinning bait.
Yeah, very good. All right. Got a silver spinnerbait with a willow leaf and a Colorado blade on it. There you go.
I do not know the name right way.
And what is that?
A crankbait.
Yeah, good job. Square bill crankbait by Strike King. There you go. And what is that?
Red, white, and black.
Yeah, very good. All right. Got a walking bait. There you go. Top water action there. And we got Gambler Go Fish plastics. All right. What color are they?
They're sort of bluish, but they're actually black.
Okay. They're blue and pumpkin green. There you go. Kind of like a crawfish there. See if I can split one for you so you can see it a little bit better.
Oh, you got it.
There you go.
You got
And lastly in the box is what? What is that?
string
That's right.
that can attach to anything.
Yeah, that's right. It
Suction.
has a suction cup for it. It's a Strike King 12-pound mono. There you go. Pretty neat little invention they got for that to stick on any surface like that, so you can still spin it while you get put on your reel. So well, there you guys have it. That's this month's box and Monsterbass box, and had a little helper, so appreciate it, little buddy, and see you guys later.